Hello students, welcome in my YouTube channel Shivam Education. In this video lecture we will study about what is mole fraction and we will calculate numerical based on it. ये आपके NCERT का most important topic है. Now fraction. Fraction means a ratio of two numbers. So now mole fraction is nothing but a ratio of component and total mole of a solutions. So now mole fraction can be defined by using this formula. If you want to give a mole fraction, then it is given by a symbol looking like X. So now mole fraction is given by this symbol looking like X. It can be defined by using this formula, mole of a component and divided by total mole of solution. Now suppose we have taken one solutions. In these solutions we have two components. One is a solute and second is a solutions. Now suppose I am giving a solvent as a component B and solute as a component A. Suppose it has a presence of some solute amount and solute I am giving as a A. Now mole of solute, suppose I am assuming that mole of solute is Na and mole of solvent, suppose I am assuming it is Nb. Then mole fraction of solute and solvent can be found out by using this formula. Suppose then mole fraction of solute, suppose I am giving by using this Xa, then Xa can be obtained by using this formula. Xa will be Na means mole of a solute and divided by total mole of solution means Na plus Nb. Similarly, mole fraction of solvent also can be obtained. Mole fraction of solvent, suppose I am giving by symbol Xb, then Xb can be obtained by using this formula. Xb means B, mole of a solvent means it is Nb and total mole of solution means it is Na plus Nb. Now you observe in these equations, the mole fraction is a ratio of mole of one component to the total mole of a solutions. So denominator is always higher than numerator. So always mole fraction will be always less than 1. For any component, mole fraction value will be always less than 1. Now suppose we will do the sum of mole fraction of all component. Means suppose I am doing a sum of Xa and Xb, then you will get a 1. Suppose I will do the sum, then denominator is equal, so we can do sum of numerators Na plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb. So simplification you will get. From this we can write that sum of mole fraction of all component, sum of mole fraction of all component of solution will be always 1. Now mole fraction is the ratio of mole of one component divided by mole of another component. So we can say that mole fraction have a no unit. It is without unit. So by using this way we can find what is the mole fractions, or we can define the mole fractions. Now to understand this concept we will do numerical based on this topic. Now on this concept we will do the numerical number 1. Now question 1 statement is given in this way. 4 gram NaOH is dissolved in 180 gram of water. We have to find out what is the mole fraction of solute and solvent. Now just we start by using this method. First we have to find out what is the mole of solute and mole of solvent in a solutions. So now mole of, as a solute we have given a NaOH. So we can find by using this formula, mole of NaOH equal to weight in gram of NaOH divided by molecular weight of NaOH. Now weight in gram of NaOH is given as 4 and we know that molecular weight of NaOH is 40. So by simplification of these things we will get a 0.1. So now mole of NaOH we have obtained, it is 0.1. Now mole of water we can find by using same method. Mole of water equal to weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now weight in gram of water is 180 and we know molecular weight of water is 18. 180 divided by 18, so you will get a 10. So now mole of water is 10. Now we can find mole of solutions. So mole of solution is sum of mole of solute as well as solvent. So mole of NaOH plus mole of water. So now mole of solution you will get 10.1. Now we can find mole fraction of this component. To find a mole fraction, we will use this formula. Mole fraction of NaOH equal to mole of NaOH divided by total mole of solutions. Now mole of NaOH is 0.1 and total mole of solution is 10.1. So by simplification you will get answer 0.0099. You can simplify these things 0.01. Now mole fraction of water you can obtain by using this formula. Mole fraction of water equal to mole of water divided by mole of solution. So mole of water is 10 and mole of solution, and you will get answer 0.990. So now doing sum of both this thing, you can check this thing that you are getting answer is 1. So sum of mole fraction of all component of solution will be always 1. Now question 2 statement is given in this way. At 25 degrees Celsius temperature, 34 gram of ammonia is dissolved in 540 gram of water. We have to find out what is the mole fraction of water as well as ammonia. Now to do this sum, first we have to find out what is the mole of ammonia and what is the mole of water. So now mole we can find by using this formula. Mole of water equal to weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now weight in gram of water is given as 540 and we know that what molecular weight of water is 18. 540 divided by 18 you will get a 30 mole. So now mole of water is fixed for us 30. Now mole of ammonia. Mole of ammonia we can find by using this formula. Weight in gram of ammonia divided by molecular weight of ammonia. Now weight in gram of ammonia is given as 34 and molecular weight of ammonia is 17. A ratio of this thing we will get a 2. So now we have obtained what is the mole of ammonia. Now simplification of these things. First we have to find out what is the sum of mole of solute and solvent. So we can say mole of solutions. Mole of solution means mole of ammonia and mole of water. So you will get 30 plus 2 and it is 32. Now mole fraction we want to find. So we can say that mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of water equal to mole of water divided by mole of solution. Now mole of water is given as 30 and mole of solution is 32. So 30 divided by 37. Your answer, just you have to match with me, 0.937. Now mole fraction of ammonia you have to find out. Now mole fraction of ammonia equal to mole of ammonia divided by mole of solution. So now simplify 2 divided by 32 and you will get 0.0625 and approximate value of this we can take 0.63. Your answer will be 0.063. So now sum of this both component you will get a 1. Now question number 3. Statement is given in this find mole fraction of solute and solvent in 1 molar aqueous solution of glucose. Now here what is the weight in gram of solvent? It is given indirectly to us. Now we have to analyze this statement. 1 molar aqueous solution of glucose. Now meaning of 1 molar aqueous solutions is that 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1000 gram of water. So we can write that 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1000 gram of water. 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1000 gram of water. So now we know what is the mole of solute. So it is fixed for us, mole of solute is 1. Now mole of solvent we can find by using this formula. Mole of solvent equal to weight in gram of water divided by its molecular weight. Now weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now weight in gram of water for us it is a 1000 and divided by 18 you will get answer 55.55. Now we have to find out what is the mole fraction of water and what is the mole fraction of solute and solvent. As a solute we are given a glucose, just it is to confuse us. So now we can write that mole fraction of solute equal to mole of solute divided by mole of solution. Now mole of solute is given us, it is a 1, and total mole of solution means 1 plus 55.55, so you will get 56.55. Now just you have to simplify. When you simplify, you will get answer 0.01768. So approximate answer we can write this is 0.018. So now mole fraction of solute is known to us. Now mole fraction of solvent we can find by using same method. Mole fraction of solvent equal to mole of solvent divided by total mole of solutions, or we can say that mole of solutions. Now mole of solute is given us 55.55 and divided by 56.55. So now simplification you will get answer 0.982. Now the same answer you can obtain by using a theory concept. We know that sum of mole fraction of all component is 1. So 1 minus 0.018 you will get a same answer. Now you do question number 4. In question number 4 I did a minute change. Find mole fraction of solute and solvent in 2 molar aqueous solution of sucrose. Now to do this, please pause your mobile or tablet and do it. Then compare your answer with myself. I hope you have completed these sums. Now in a solutions, meaning of this 2 molar solutions we can write in this way, that 2 molar solution means 2 mole of solute dissolved in a 1000 gram of solvent or 1000 gram of water. So now mole of solute in this numerical we can write mole of solute will be a 2. Now mole of solvent will be a same as no any change. 1000 gram water is given. So 18 gram of water 1000 divided by 18 you will get 55.55. But total mole of solution will be changed. Now you will get mole of solution will be sum of these two, 2 plus 55.55, and you will get a 57.55. Now you have to simplify. First you have to find out what is the mole fraction of solute. To find mole fraction of solute, mole of solute is 2 and total mole of solution is 57.55. Just you have to simplify, you will get answer 0.035. And mole fraction of solvent, to simplify this thing, mole fraction of solvent will be mole of solvent 55.55 and divided by 57.55, and you will get answer 0.965. Match your answer. Check the sum of mole fraction of solute and solvent will be 1. Now question number 5 for you. Find mole fraction of solute and solvent in 10% weight by weight NaOH solutions. Now to find these things, little new thing is given to you. Now you know very well 10% weight by weight NaOH solution, meaning is 10 gram solute is present in 100 gram solutions. So we can write meaning of 10% weight by weight solutions, that 10 gram NaOH is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So now from this you will get what is the weight in gram of solute and weight in gram of solvent. Weight in gram of solute will be 10, weight in gram of solution is 100. So weight in gram of solvent will be 100 minus 10, you will get a 90. So now I can write here weight in gram of NaOH. Weight in gram of NaOH will be 10, and similarly weight in gram of water will be 90. Now if you know this both thing, then you can calculate mole of this both component. Mole of NaOH is nothing but weight in gram of NaOH divided by molecular weight of NaOH. Now weight in gram of NaOH is 10, molecular weight of NaOH you are knowing very well 40. 10 divided by 40, so you will get answer 0.4, it is 1 by 4. Now same as mole of water. It is weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now weight in gram is 90, molecular weight of water is 18. So 90 divided by 18, you will get a 5. So now doing sum of these two things, you will get a total mole of solutions. Now total mole of solution is sum of both these things, it is 5.25. Now you are knowing mole of solute and solvent, and you can find mole fraction. So I will write that mole fraction of NaOH. Mole fraction of NaOH equal to mole of NaOH divided by mole of solution. Now mole of NaOH is 0.25 and total mole of solution is 5.25. Now just to simplify, you will get answer 0.048. Check your answer. Now mole fraction of water you can find by using theoretical concept also or by using this formula method also. Mole fraction of water will be same as mole of water divided by mole of solution. Mole of water is 5 and divided by mole of solution is 5.25 and your answer will be 0.952. So now if you are given a percentage solution, then you can find mole fraction of solute and solvent by using the same method and same concept. Now question 4 for you. Statement is 5 molar fraction, find molar fraction of solute and solvent in 10% urea solutions. Now I hope you can do by yourself. Please pause your mobile or laptop and do by yourself. Then match your answer with myself. I hope you have completed. Now the meaning of this 10% urea solution, you know very well that 10 gram urea is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So now you are knowing weight of solute and solvent, so you can find what is the weight of 10 gram urea is present dissolved in 100 gram of solutions. So you will get weight in gram of solvent will be 90, 100 minus 10. So now we can find what is the weight in gram of urea. Weight in gram of urea is 10 and weight in gram of water. Water is present as a solvent, it will be a 90. Now you can find mole of urea by using this formula. Mole of urea equal to weight in gram of urea and divided by molecular weight of urea. Now molecular weight of urea you know very well, it is a 60 or it is sometimes given in a numerical also. Urea formula is NH2CO, NH2 you are knowing very well, and its molecular weight generally given to us, it will be a 60 gram per mole. So now put this value 10 divided by 60. Now 10 divided by 60, you will get your answer 0.167. 0 cut 1 by 6, you will get 0.167. Now weight in gram of water we are knowing, so we can find mole of water. Mole of water equal to weight in gram of water divided by molecular weight of water. Now molecular weight of water we know it is 18 and weight in gram of water is 90. So 90 divided by 18 you will get 5. Now mole fraction of we can find by using this thing. Total mole of solution is 5.167. Now if you know this thing, then you can find what is the mole fraction of urea. Now mole fraction of urea equal to mole of urea divided by mole of solutions. Now mole of urea is given as 0.167 and divided by 5.167. You will get answer 0.032. Now you have to find out what is the mole fraction of water. Now mole fraction of water equal to mole of water divided by mole of solution. Mole of water is 5 and mole of solution is 5.167. So now simplification of this you will get 0.968, or you can do by theoretical method 1 minus 0.032, you will get answer 968. So now in this lecture we have studied about what is mole fraction, and on this concept different method of numerical we have studied. Now please don't forget to share and subscribe my education channel Shivam. Thank you.